piano practice after work? This is me after a long day at work. By the time I get home, I'm done. I take a shower, grab something to eat, feed the cat, feed the dog, and finally, I get to sit at the piano. That's usually where my brain resets. Wait, I'm a gospel pianist. What I really need is a practice that helps my fingers move better and helps me move through chords more naturally. So that made me ask myself something. Do I need another chord to memorize? Another passing chord? Another random pattern? Or do I need a practice exercise that actually develops movement? And that's why I keep coming back to this Barry Harris exercise. I like it because it helps with finger movement, chord movement, and moving through different keys. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I practice it on the grand piano. If this kind of practical gospel piano practice is helping you, subscribe to the channel because this is exactly the kind of work I do here. Okay, now this is this exercise which Barry Harris, one of the, to me, most respected jazz educator, calls the torture test. So it is in the key of C. First of all, let me just show you the harmony part of it. This is a C major 7. This is a D minor 7. This is a E minor 7. Now from here, when we go into the 4, we just have the second of what? The key of E flat, which is F minor 7. So we're going to do this. Second, and we're going to go back to the home key in this case, which is E flat. Now this is part of the C diminished 7. So we're going to go from C to the key of E flat to the key of G flat to the key of A, then go back to C major 7. So this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back to 1 again, which is the diminished. So this is what I like about this. It helps you work not only the harmony part of this particular movement, but also 4 different keys. So we're gonna have this, then we're gonna go here, go down to 1, 2, 3. When we get to the 4, it's gonna be the second of G flat. 2, then 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna get to 4 again, which is the second of A major 7. 2. Now we're going to go to the 4, but it's going to be the 2 of C major 7. Then continue on. The goal is to develop control in your fingers and become more comfortable moving through the chords. So this is why I practice this exercise. So now that we have the exercise down, we know exactly the structure or the pattern that it goes through. Is like this. When we get here, we go to the second, and we go continue with the pattern. The third, here we go to the second of G flat. A7, the second of G of C, then we continue on. That's the pattern. So that's now we're going to use that right now, which is the C major 7, then D minor 7, see me here. This is chromatic right here. It's not chromatic. This is chromatic here. And this is not chromatic. So that's how we're going to use it. So we know the only one that's chromatic is the second. So here we're going to do chromatic right here. Here there's no chromatic here. We'll go back to the chromatic again. The third is not chromatic, so what we do. But now we're going to the second of G flat, which is chromatic. Second of A, which is chromatic. Here there's none. None here. Now remember the second is always chromatic. We do this. Second chromatic, so forth and so on. So we get this nice harmony. Now, let me show you something important about this. What you need to understand is that the reason why it sounds really good is because of this level of harmony here. See, major 7, minor 7, minor 7, major 7. Well, we see here, then we go back to the second of E flat. Now remember that. The second of E flat, right? Now, C, E flat, G flat, A. Diminish. Those are families. So after you work all those 4 keys, because there are 3 diminishes, we're gonna have to work this one also too, which is D flat, diminished 7, or E diminished 7, or G diminished 7. B flat diminished 7. Now there's one last one. This one. D diminished 7. We're going to go to now F diminished 7. A flat diminished 7. And B D diminished 7. So those are the dominants from C7, B flat. Then we have within the dominants. It gives my fingers something focused to work on. It helps me move through different keys, and it develops the chord movement I need at the piano. You don't have to practice it fast. You don't even have to do it in one sitting. Just stay consistent with it. And if you found value in this lesson, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave me a comment. I'm going to keep sharing practical gospel piano exercises like this that can help you become more comfortable, more disciplined, and more confident at the keyboard. All right, long day, cat fed, dog fed, practice done. Now I feel way better. I hope this exercise video has been helpful. And if it has, like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I know a lot of you have been asking me about exercises, so I'm going to do more of this. But let me know what you think about this type of exercise and how it helps you connect your chords and move through them more comfortably. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.